Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Respected Dr. D.M. Mule, Member of Human Rights Commission, former Secretary MEA, former High Commissioner of India to Maldives, former Consul General of India, New York, Sri M.C. Luther, former Protector General of Immigrants and Joint Secretary MEA, Ms. Sita Sharma from International Labour Organization, Professor Irudaya, Professor Irudaya Rajan, Chair Professor MES Research Unit on International Migration at the Center for Development Studies, Mr. K. Srinivasan, AICC Secretary, former Vice Chairman of FOREI, Mr. V.S. Abdul Karim, Chairman and Managing Director, Creative Group, Founder and Chairman, FOREI, former President IPEPSIL. Mr. Ashok Mehra, Managing Director, Asia Power Overseas Employment Services. Mr. Shailendra Nigam, Managing Director, Singles Marketing Services Private Limited. Mr. Supreet Sandhi, Executive Director, Soundlines Group. Mr. C.V. Devi, Industry Expert. Dr. Suresh Kumar Madhusudanan, Managing Director of Seagull Group of Companies, my colleagues and all the participants in this webinar and thousands of viewers across the globe on social media. On behalf of Seagull International HR Consultants, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this webinar on future of Gulf recruitment in the COVID-19 context evolving scenario. We are fortunate to have such a wonderful panel of speakers from different verticals for this webinar. The pandemic is impacting the whole world in many ways, including health, economy, employment, and policies. People are locked for many weeks and working from home. Kids are at home and doing online schooling. Elderly members are unable to go out for their regular walks. Auxiliary support system at home is paralyzed. People are worried about their business, jobs, income, loans, etc. One of the most affected industry in this pandemic is our industry, overseas recruitment. The overall hiring sentiment across the globe, including India, will witness a negative impact of following the hiccups across industries and triggered by this COVID pandemic. In the last 3 months, our industry has witnessed a major downturn in the overseas recruitment business due to lockdown across the globe, especially in GCC countries. Consulates of destinations countries were closed. Operations of international flights are grounded. Deserving candidates selected for major projects couldn't join. Projects were either stalled or cancelled. Innumerable candidates have lost their job. There has been drastic decrease in their existing salary due to this crisis. And we are not sure when there will be a ray of hope. Thousands of migrants were stranded in foreign countries willing to come back. However, due to inadequate international flights, they had no options but to wait. Out of these, many of them are jobless and are scared of taking up any opportunity that comes on their way. On this struggling time, it is an endeavor of Seagull International HR consultants to come forward and host a webinar on future of Gulf recruitment with our industry associates. Let us hear the suggestions and solutions from our speakers. The flow of the program can be divided into 3 sessions. Session 1 will be an introduction by Dr. Suresh Kumar, followed by inaugural speech by Dr. D.M. Mule. Each panelist will speak for 7 to 8 minutes. The second session will be panel discussion for 20 minutes. And third will be Q&A session. Participants can send your questions through the chat box mentioned on the right side of your screen. We will select a few relevant questions and ask to the panelists. But please don't forget that to mention the name to whom the question to be asked for, followed by conclusion and vote of thanks. Over to Dr. Suresh Kumar. Thank you.
Seagull International Human Resource Consultants. Bridging the gap between dream and reality.